people. So again, it's a Sunday afternoon, and we have this little girl and this little girl. This little girl, she was actually fast asleep. I shouldn't have woken her up, poor thing. And this young man, who's a busy young man, but they are like adorable, and the main thing being, I'll be honest now, each time I have to record, I start feeling a little nervous. I'm like, oh my god, I need to like speak sense, which is something that doesn't come naturally to me. I mean, like, just generally. So that's what, as of yesterday, I only kept reading. I was like reading. So, among the 4 books I read yesterday was Jim Corbett's Jungle Lore. Now, this book was Jim Corbett wrote this book, I think, 74 years ago. Can you believe it? 74 years ago. It's all about how when the British Raj was still very much in India, how the jungle scene was, jungle as in the real, the jungles near Nainital. So jungle lore is all about these, uh, apparently you can tell whether a snake is poisonous or non-poisonous just looking at the girth of the snake, depending on how thick it is. I didn't know such jungle lore. So when you read this book by Jim Corbett, which you can find on Amazon, I'm sure, you will get to know these little known facts about life in the jungles. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.